Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. It is Monday. I just posted a video today. I did like a grocery haul. We have just been doing stuff around here. It's like kind of sunny, kind of cloudy. It's like super muggy. It's been like the first day that we have not been outside. It has been so hot here in Massachusetts, like big heat wave. So we have been living out at the pool. So the house was a little neglected. So I was just doing laundry, washing sheets, all that fun stuff. So, but I was ordering this morning some healthy swaps for just like some of the kids' favorite snacks, some of my favorite snacks, and just different things. But I wanted to like not eliminate them from our diet because like that's no fun, right? Like you want to still be able to have like your fun foods and this and that. And I feel like there's a way to do both with like having those treats, but also not eating like a ton of chemicals and junk and like the red dyes. We've really done a pretty good job of getting like the red dyes and the yellow dyes and all like the dyes and artificial things and like GMOs, trying to phase them all out of the house. So I placed an Whole Foods order and we're gonna try all the snacks. We got sodas, we got all sorts of stuff. So I'm gonna show you a bunch of healthy swaps, family friendly, that your kids will like, you'll like to have, and all of that. So I'm gonna share the haul and then the kids and I are gonna try some of the items. So I'm excited for that. But if you like this, let me know, because I could definitely do a part 2, because I just mainly stuck with like snacks. Because I feel like, for me at least, that's like the hardest area for the kids and for myself. So we have a whole bunch of snacks and like fun foods to try, but if you have different requests or you want a part 2, definitely let me know, or if you want me to try to find you a healthy swap for something specific, again, comment it down below and I'll see what I can find. But I'm gonna share the grocery haul with you now, but if you guys have not yet subscribed, I've been on a weight loss journey. So I've just been doing Weight Watchers and like upping my protein, working out, all that kind of stuff. I'm down about like 7 pounds and I have about 15 more that I want to lose. So it is clearly working, slow and steady for sure, because I feel like I haven't really eliminated lots of stuff. I've been, you know, still living, having ice cream here and there with my kids and all that kind of stuff. So I definitely could probably tighten it up a little bit, but I want to live life, you know? So, but the kids and I are going to try some of the snacks, but first I'm going to show everything. So make sure you are subscribed because I've got tons of these kind of videos coming. I share a lot of grocery hauls, Weight Watchers, high protein snacks, and I still do like my cleaning, decorating, organizing, like mom life, day in the life videos. I haven't been posting as much because it's summertime, kids are home, we've been busy having fun, but I've got a full pack schedule. You'll see lots of videos in August, tons in September, October, you know, all through the fall. So make sure you are subscribed, long story short. So let me lay everything out on the counter and then I will show you the grocery haul. All right, so the first things is like the chips, salty snacks, because we all love salty snacks in this house. So the kids have been so big into these. I bought a big like variety pack of chips for like camps and stuff like that, and there was these cheese puffs in there and they were obsessed because I never buy them, but they happen to be in the pack that I bought. But this is the Annie's organic cheddar cheesy smiles. So there is no, because a lot of these things have like the orange or yellow dye or something like that. I don't know, it's all terrible, but this has none of that and it's organic. There's no GMOs and none of that. It was expensive. This bag was $5. I burnt myself on my pinky this morning. Can you see where I burned myself? It's already blistered. But I think it's worth it because what's that saying? Buy more, pay more now and save money later, like with your healthcare and just your life in general. So hopefully they like these. We'll find out soon. Same with Doritos. That variety pack came with nachos and the cheese puffs. So these are the late July ones. A friend of mine, she tried the ones that are, her son is gluten and dairy free, and she said it was the Siete brand, and she said those are pretty good. But I'm like, we don't need the dairy free, so I think we can try these. So they were late July nacho cheese flavor. They also had the ranch, but I wanted to try these first to make sure we liked them. But same thing, organic, no GMOs, and no artificial colors or dyes or anything like that. No peanuts, they're gluten-free, whole grains, all that. Obviously still not like the best choice. You wouldn't want to sit here and eat this entire bag, but it is definitely a healthier option than Doritos. Then just regular chips. Everyone loves the veggie chips, which I buy veggie straws sometimes, and those do not go over well. They like the veggie chips. So these are, I believe, the same. I don't think these are organic though, but they are non-GMO. They have no food coloring, no dyes, no anything like that. They have 30% less fat, and they are gluten-free as well. So that is a good option. So we already know these are like tried and true, so I won't open those, but we'll definitely be trying these. Also, the Good Crisp company, so it's like Pringles, but they are, again, non-GMO, and look at the ingredients, if it will focus. It's dried potato flakes, RSPO, sustainable palm oil, vitamin E, tapioca starch, salt, sugar, and white pepper. That's it. There is no dyes, no junk, no nothing in them. Let me see, calories for 1 ounce. No, I hate when things are in ounces. 140 calories, I don't know, but better than regular Pringles. So that is our chip section.
Okay, we'll try those first, and then can we try these next?
Yeah.
What are those? What are those?
These are cheese puffs.
We each get one to taste.
Ooh,
Do they smell
they
good?
smell delicious.
I smell it first. They don't taste any different.
It tastes the same?
Yeah, try it. They don't taste any different. It tastes the same, but it tastes the same.
What do you think? Thumbs up? Mmm. That's awesome.
Yeah, it tastes the same. They don't taste any different.
You know what?
There's different color.
They're a different color, because you know why?
Why?
They don't have all those chemicals and all the dyes and all the junk stuff, but they have the good taste, right?
They actually taste a little better than this. Yeah.
Yeah.
The other one's kind of a little
These
bit
are
sour.
Doritos.
Wait, are those sour? If it
Come over this
says nacho cheese, oh yeah.
Nachos. So they have the Cool Ranch. You can go this way because your head's
It's gonna be hot.
still tastes the same. No, they're red Doritos.
Still tastes the same. Yeah. It tastes the same as the blue Doritos. It tastes actually better than.
They do. It's like a mixture of a Dorito and like a tortilla chip.
Yeah. It tastes so good. Hot time.
Hold on. We have Pringles to try. These are really good.
I have some more.
This is regular Coke. This is root beer, and this is orange soda. If I want to try one, so I'd prefer not the orange because I don't like orange soda. No, I'm going to try a sip of yours. We're going to try it together.
Because you don't like orange.
Oh, no. You know when you have a baby, they give you this sugar test, and you have to drink, it's like super strong orange juice, and it's just like, oh, I've never been able to drink orange soda ever since.
It does not taste like that.
Root beer good? I don't know if you're gonna like it.
Since I don't like soda, I would not try it. Since I don't like soda. It like tastes the same for a second, and then it like
Almost tastes like cream soda or something. There's not much fizz to it.
there's no fizz at all.
You want to try it? There's no fizz.
No, thank you.
Okay.
I don't like regular. Wait, wait, could I try this one?
Sparkling.
This one, like if it doesn't have the fizz, because she likes orange soda, she just doesn't like.
We'll try this one. The cold. We'll save the.
I like orange juice, so I might like it if it has no fizz.
Yeah, this one has no fizz.
Does that fizz? Try, Mom. It does not taste anything like orange soda.
No.
Try it, and I'm promising, and I drink orange soda. No.
Ooh,
But it's good.
it is good. It's not fizzy, Leighton.
There's no fizz.
No fizz.
No fizz.
You just try a sip. It's not spicy. It's not fizzy.
If I don't like it, can I spit it out?
Yep.
It's fizzy.
No, it's not.
A little. It's like a little, but
You think so?
I was drinking like once in a while.
Yeah. Will you drink that, Austin?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Ready right now? First I had
Yeah, you can have it.
First I had to touch for something.
Okay. Back to breakfast foods. So as you saw, they are obsessed with these, and these actually do, I don't like really Pop-Tarts. I mean, they're fine, but I tried it and they actually taste really good. So that is definitely a win. We have had this before, so I'm not opening these. I used to shop at Whole Foods a lot, but now I just haven't, to be honest, because it's just, everything's so expensive. But for these kind of snacks, I feel like it's definitely worth it because everything's more expensive. So you might as well pay just a little bit more and get something a lot better. So this is like the healthier swap to a Reese's Puff cereal. And again, it's non-GMO, it's organic. The sugar, there's 10 grams of sugar, 150 calories. It is obviously a lot of added sugar. It's not like the best, but obviously it's a lot healthier. My kids don't eat cereal a ton. They'll have it for like a lot for snacks and stuff. But I don't mind it, you know, it's fine. So Frosted Flakes. I was buying Frosted Flakes thinking that it was fine. I knew there was like they weren't non-GMO or anything, but they were like, Frosted Flakes were one of like the worst foods I saw, which I was shocked. I'm like, there's like nothing to them. I don't know how they could be that bad. This has organic milled corn, organic cane sugar, and sea salt. This has literally 3 ingredients. I could not believe that Frosted Flakes were that bad for you. I was in shock, honestly. And Frosted Flakes is like one of Layton's favorite things. And actually everyone in my house loves it. So I got 2 boxes of those, one of the chocolate peanut butter cereal, and these Pop-Tarts. So this was not good. I did not like the classic root beer. I'll have Kevin try the cola. And it's sparkling tonic, so we have to remember that. It's not like soda. So, but Austin, like as you saw, liked the orange flavored one. But this has like a cream soda taste, and it's not my favorite. I don't love these. I like more like fizz to them because it's like a tonic. There's not a lot of fizz to them, and I like that like fizziness to them. But they are a very good alternative. So just some like Lunchbox snacks and desserts. I bought these. The kids, I bought these before and they really like these. Again, everything like the 365 is either organic, non-GMO, or like all of the above. So there was 6 of them. There's lemonade, orangeade, and strawberry lemonade. And they're like those little like push tubes. And the ingredients are great. They're vegan, fat-free. There's not a lot of ingredients in them. They're each 80 calories, 14 or 15 grams of sugar each one. Again, sugar content, but it's a lot better than having freeze pops. All right, the next are these organic mini cheese cracker sandwiches like the Ritz. I love those Ritz crackers, and apparently Ritz crackers are also on the list of like super bad things for you. So once we need crackers, I will definitely order like the Whole Foods brand. But these, there's a decent amount of ingredients in them, but at least it's like non-GMO. They are organic. There's not much sugar in them. There's 3 grams of protein. At least you're getting like a little something. So that is that. We've also had these before, just obviously a much better option than just regular Rice Krispie treats. Again, not a super long list of ingredients, but they are non-GMO, gluten-free, and organic as well. Let me see, there's 8 grams of sugar, only 80 calories. And I know these are really good to have as like a pre-workout snack, so I like to have those once in a while too. I bought these for the kids' lunches. They're going to camps and all that kind of stuff, so I got these organic chocolate chip cookie bites. They're like little individual bags. There's 6 pouches of them, 150 calories, 9 grams of sugar, and 2 grams of protein. You don't usually find protein in stuff like this, so I know it's not a lot, but some is better than none. And then the last, my kids love these, and actually Kevin will have to get used to them because they're just so much better than regular Oreos. They are peanut free, they are non-GMO, and they taste pretty good. So for 2 cookies, they're 130 calories, 12 12 grams of sugar. It is a good amount of sugar, but again, it is a much better alternative to regular Oreos. All right, so I definitely think we have covered the snack, junk food-ish genre of foods, but if there is anything you'd like me to find a swap for, the only thing, like as you saw, because you saw us taste test them, we only taste tested the stuff that we've never tried before, which were like the chips and things like that. We didn't love the soda, but I feel like that's something that you just kind of have to get used to and make the swap if you're a big soda drinker. We are not, and actually I have tried getting those like the sparkling ice drinks or whatever those are called. I get them from the grocery store, and I get the ones that doesn't have any red dye or anything like that, but I do not like that it has sucralose in it, so I only let Austin have them like once in a great while. So I feel like either they get a ton of sugar or a little bit of sucralose in those kind of things. So I should actually check Whole Foods the next time I do this. If you guys are interested in a part 2, I'll try to find something a little bit different, like those like icy drinks that they have, and see if they have a version of their own as well. So if you guys like this, like I said, make sure you leave a comment and let me know if you would like a part 2, and I can see if I can get those little cuties to help me again, because it's always fun to do this with them. They were very excited to do a taste testing video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.